Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to work in our maths notebook and we will be revising more and less. So let's begin our work. But first, let us quickly revise more and less, the concept of more and less. Now here I have got two boys, two children. One has got number 3 and the other has got number 7 with it. So I am going to divide my toffees. So this boy has got 7 toffees. 1, 2, everybody count aloud. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And this boy over here has got 3 toffees. 1, 2 and 3. Now children, please tell me which child has got more number of toffees. Is it the one with number 7 or the one who has got number 3? Who has more toffees? Very good, the boy with number 7. So number 7 is more than number 3. Look here children, we've got 2 girls and they too have got different numbers written on them. One girl has got number 2 and the other girl has got number 6. Now I am going to distribute my spoons according to the number. So 1 and 2. She gets 2 spoons and the girl over here, she gets 6 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This girl has got 6 spoons. Now can you tell me which girl has got more spoons? Very good. The girl which has got number 6 has got more spoons. So 6 is more and 2 is less. 2 is less and 6 is more. Brilliant. It's now time to work in our maths notebook. So let us open our book. And this was the last work that we did. We decorated our matki with bindis, more, less and equal. And I hope you all had fun. So now we are going to turn this page and work on a new page. This page over here. So let us begin by writing the date. So over here in the margin on the red line, I will write today's date. And today is 14.8.2020. 2020. Now children, please ask Mama Papa to help you to write the title over here on the red line. And the title is Circle Which is more. Circle which is more. All right. Now over here below the date we will leave 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to make a dot. One more dot over here. So I have left 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 box. And I have drawn 2 dots. Now below the first dot, please write number 2. And remember, your numbers must touch the line, the blue line. write 2, and in the next box write number 4. Again put 2 dots and write number 6 and number 1. One more dot. Write number 3 and write number 8. One more time. Let us make 2 dots below the numbers and write number 9 and number 5. Children, your numbers should not be big. They should begin with from the middle of the square. One more time. Put 2 dots and write number 7 and number 4. And number 4. So children, this is the setting that you will be doing. Mama, Papa can write this, but the numbers and the dots you can make yourself. Now, there is a little story that I would like to tell you. Okay, so let us imagine that today is your birthday. Alright, so today is your birthday and you want to prepare lot of things for your birthday. So Mama says that I will go and buy all the things that are yummy and tasty and that you want to share with everybody on your birthday. So what did Mama do? Mama went to the market and she got ice creams. Okay? So now for the first 2 numbers, we are going to draw ice creams. So the first number is number 2. So I will draw 1 ice cream in the next box. Okay, so I'm making an ulta triangle and ice cream. So this is 1. What is the number 2? So I need to make 2 ice creams. So in the next box, I am going to make 1 more ice cream. Okay? And this is number 4. So over here, I will make 4 ice creams. Okay? 1. Everybody count and draw. 2. 3. And 4. So I have drawn 4 ice creams. Then Mama thought, let me buy something more which children really love. And Mama bought lollipops. Mama bought lollipops. So the next number is 6 and 1. So over here I will draw 6 lollipops and here I will draw 1 lollipop. So the next box, next square, I'm going to make a big C and go inside. 1 lollipop. Make a jalebi. 2 lollipop. 3 lollipop. 4 lollipop. Please draw neatly. 5 lollipop and 6 lollipop. So I've drawn 6 lollipops. And over here, number 1. So I will draw only 1 lollipop over here. Okay, 1 lollipop. Great. Now Daddy said, even I want to do something for your birthday. So Daddy said, let me decorate the house. And Daddy went to the market and he bought lot of balloons. So for the next set of numbers, that is 3 and 8, we will draw balloons. So number 3, how many balloons will we draw? 3 balloons. I have drawn 3 balloons. And over here, 8. So quickly. 1, 2, 5, 6. Now I have no space over here, so I will come down. 7 and 8. So I have drawn 8 balloons. And then Daddy also thought to get flowers because the house will look very, very beautiful with flowers all over. So for the next set of numbers, we are going to draw flowers, 9 and 5. So let us quickly draw 9 flowers. 1, 2, 6. And again, this is the last square. So what will I do? I have to draw 9 flowers. And these are only 6 flowers. So I will come down from the last flower. 7, 8, and 9. And over here, I have got number 5. So I'll be drawing 5 flowers. So look, I have finished with balloons and the flowers. So my house is decorated. Now I want some toy, something that I can play with my friends. Now Dada Dadi thought to buy something that I can play with my friends with. So they went to the market and they bought lots and lots of balls. Okay, so for the next set of the last set of numbers, we will draw balls. Alright, so I can play with my friends. And over here, I will be drawing 4 balls. 2, 3, and 4. So children, I have finished doing my setting. Okay. Now, the title says circle which is more. So, in these pictures and on these numbers, I have to find which is the more number. Okay, which is more and which is less. Now, let's see the first picture. These are ice creams. Okay, 2 and 4. So, is 4 more or 2 more? Which number of ice creams are more? 4 or 2? Brilliant! It is 4. So let us circle number 4. Now let's come to the next set, that is 6 and 1. And here I have got a lot of lollipops. So which number of lollipops are more? 6 or 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are these more or only one lollipop more? Tell me, come on. Very good. Number 6 is more and number 1 is less. So let us circle number 6. Well done, children. Now it is your turn to count the number of balloons, number of flowers and numbers of balls, and then circle the more number, the number which is more. Okay, and you will circle it. After circling the number which is more, you will use your color pencils to color these pictures beautifully. Okay, the things that you have drawn, you will color them neatly and then send a pic to Archana ma'am. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.